Hello and welcome. Today, I'm excited to share with you the best deal for Namecheap promo code. In 2024, if you've been looking for an affordable domain and free web hosting, you're in the right place. I've got an exclusive promo code that will help you save big on your next domain purchase and get free web hosting. 2. Here's how it works. 1. Click the link in the description below. This is crucial. You need to use this link to activate the special Namecheap offer. 2. Complete the simple registration process on the Namecheap website. 3. Enter the promo code provided in the description to apply the discount. 4. Complete your purchase and that's it. You'll get your cheap domain plus a free web hosting package. Make sure you grab this deal while it lasts, as this promo code is valid only for a limited time. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out on more great offers. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments, and I'll get back to you ASAP. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.